Hey guys, welcome back to Rscarpremium. So we have got a Kia Carens top end model to get its lights upgraded. And Kia Carens top end model, it will be a molded headlight as customer wanted to upgrade his headlights. So we have suggested customer to go with the fog light. But in Kia Carens, what happens is you don't get any fog light clamp or anything. We have to drill a hole and we have to place the fog projector. So let's go and check it out how the process is done and you can see the real-time output. So guys, finally on Kia Carens, the fog projector is completed. So if you see here, right, completely it has come like an OE fitment. You will not be able to see like it's an extra added fitment in the car. If you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with good quality headlights and fog projector, please reach out to Rscarpremium. So we have only one branch in Jayanagar, so we don't have any other branch in Bangalore. So we have provided the numbers and the location below. You can call us and come to our store directly.